guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I said you're bugging. She's bugging. Now guys, so in today's video I got something in storage for you guys. I got a new wig, water wave, part 2, part 3. How many ways I gotta do water wave? Now let me stop. So yeah, I thought that the name was a fake, but it's not. DYHAIR777. That's the name of the company. Okay, so this is the hair. It's so soft. And you know, I just added water to it and I cut the lace. I'm not trying to do no middle part nor a side part. I'm just trying to keep it cool, calm, and collective. Y'all know the vibes. Guys, it is 100 degrees outside. Ooh, what if the bonnet looked like this into a bun? That would be mad cute, right? Nah, back to the hair. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on. Like I said, it's not a middle part and it's not a side part. We're just gonna play with the hair, put it to the side real quick. Hold on, hold the fuck on. So this is how I put the wig on, and it's not glued, but I'm not gonna glue it, you know. So NW58, yo, look what happened to my NW58. I could cry right now. Okay, so I'm gonna get some NW58 and put it on the lace so it could look like it's mine when it's really not, you know. NW58 is my best friend. If you see my face sweating, just don't look at it because it's mad hot. This is my last time wearing, this is my last time wearing makeup for the summer. I'm probably lying, but let me see if I can lay some baby hairs. Kaya, can you bring your black comb and your baby hair stuff? Alright, so my camera just died on me like I'm pussy. And I had to run it back. So, like I was doing, I was laying my baby hairs. This hair is so hard to style. Okay.
She violated. Why is my lashes still itching? She violated.
Mine was itching too when that Jersey girl did it.
Yeah, it's like, what the hell?
Because it's not extension.
I'm leaving your door open.
Okay.
And my phone is charging mad slow.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. Let's just talk about the hair real quick. It is not glued down. As you can see, it is lifting, but I'll be fine. It's 130 density, loose wave, lace frontal wig, 20 inches. The cap that I got is medium, and the hair color is 1B. It do look like number 1, but it's 1B, guys. This is like beach hair. I really hope you guys like this video. I really hope you guys like this hair. Let me know, is it a cop? Is it a dub? Just let me know how I'm feeling, how y'all feeling about this hair. This is just water. It's no conditioner. I didn't put no product in this hair. This is the hair at its natural state with just the water. And that's the end of my video.